over there do the same thing. I think over here.
Good morning, you guys. Darren setting up the tripod. We have our breakfast. Wow. Okay, now I know how it comes. Oh my gosh. So I wasn't sure I got 2 chicken sausages, but clearly I only needed 1. Wow. Okay, they don't skimp on the food.
Okay.
Wow. It is so beautiful outside today.
Want me to move this too?
Wow. So this is literally the windows right here, like the door. But it's just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, you guys, so I feel like this villa that we're staying at in Four Seasons, it has its own little like hideaway. Let me show you. So I absolutely love this room. Look, it has your own couch. We have a laptop in here. If you come around, it even has a bathroom with a full shower. I just love it so much. We are walking to the spa. Actually, we're getting a ride.
Okay, so you go 1 floor below, -1, and then before the exit to the left.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy.
This spa is truly the most beautiful spa I've ever seen. As you're walking down, there's all glass windows and you can see the beautiful bluest of water. Truly just an amazing sight to see. Of course, I got greeted with a warm towel with some tea. Like, Four Seasons Athens truly had some of the best service that I've ever had at any other luxury spa ever. While I got my massage, Darren went into the men's locker room and he got all the amenities that I got, slippers, robe, everything. He really enjoyed himself. I'll show you guys like inside of the locker rooms after I get done with my massage, but I thought it was so nice that he was able to enjoy all the amenities that the spa have, even though he didn't get a massage and only I got a massage. Guys, I just finished getting my massage. It was amazing. And this was the view in the massage room. Like, truly unbelievable. And look at this, you guys. Look at this. This is the pool area. Like, how crazy is that? And this is heated. Oh my gosh. So in the spa amenities, there's like cold showers, there's an aroma room, a steam room. Honestly, the amenities go on forever here, and I was like pleasantly surprised.
Right now we're in the hot tub, and it's so amazing. Look how big it is. All these vents turn on. It's just so good and relaxing. The water is hot, very hot.
Look at him, y'all. He's all the way back there.
Oh, look, so it goes all the way back here, and it's the hot tub. So you don't have to push a button, all you have to do is touch it. And it activates. Oh, sorry. All you have to do is touch it. Yeah, that's the next one. Yeah. This one right here is my favorite because the jets come on in the back and from the floor. it's like you get a massage. I also like this one too. This one is like a rain down. Like a rain down. And those over there do the same thing. I keep over here.
Oh, I haven't sit in this one. I need to sit in it.
Oh yeah, you have to sit in that.
And then y'all, it keeps going. Wait, tell them what else is in here.
Oh, what else we have? We have a pool.
And it's heated, y'all. Wow.
The pool is actually not heated.
Oh, it's not heated?
So it's a little cooler. I'm just being honest. Ooh, it's cold. But I think that's what they do. They do this cold plunge versus the hot plunge. It just relaxes your body a little bit more too. So initially you do a hot and then you go cold. Just to bring your temperature down. But it feels amazing too. So guys, so they also have the same thing we saw in the hot tub. They have one here in the pool.
Oh, wow.
Like you can feel it coming out. Oh. It feels amazing, man. Oh.
And you guys, look at Darren's view while he's up there. Look at his view. Wow. Truly had the best time together in the pool and the hot tub. It's definitely going to be a core memory for us. But after we were done, I went ahead in the women's locker room because I didn't get to explore it before my massage. So like I sat, I drank some of the water. I believe this one was like a carrot, lemon. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but there was so many different waters. They had snacks inside of the women's locker room. They also had a steam room. They had a sauna. They had showers. They had actual individual showers. It's truly so beautiful. The men's room was actually like this, except for the men's like steam room had even more seating. Honestly, I just feel so blessed that I was able to experience such an amazing spa in Greece. So in this steam room, you were able to spray the lavender, eucalyptus, whatever scent you wanted, you could spray it in the steam room. And oh, it just smelled so amazing and felt so amazing. So I went from the steam room to the sauna. Honestly, there was nobody else in here with me. So I had my own private spa. I came out, took a shower, like to wash off the sweat from the sauna, and truly just enjoyed myself. After that, I was able to come in this beautiful bathroom, and by the way, they had everything you can think of. I used the bathroom, I took like a private shower, and one thing that like truly amazed me was that the showers that they had in here were the same exact showers that we had in our room. So they definitely splurged on this spa. They had hair dryers, diptyque products. Like, this was by far the best spa that I have ever been to in America, in Europe, and everywhere that I have been. Honestly, I see why Four Seasons Athens Spa is top rated in Europe, because it was just truly amazing. I hope that you get a chance to visit this and put this property on your bucket list. So a little fun fact, all of our towels that we use for bathing at home are actually Four Seasons, and we have Four Seasons robes and bedding, and so they were actually selling it here, which this is the first Four Seasons that I saw actually selling the towels and bedding on property. I mean, wow. So this is where you come up from the spa. Honestly, guys, everything is so beautiful. Like, so beautiful. Wow. I still can't believe this is like where we're staying. Like, honestly, I'm so shocked. It's so amazing. So these rooms up here, they're like the standard rooms. Also really nice. But wow. Like, I literally feel like I'm coming home to my house. I'm gonna ring the doorbell for Darren. Let's see if he answers. Dang, it took him long enough to answer the door. You look good opening that door.
How you doing? How was your massage?
It was amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And remember to always do more of what makes you happy. Bye.